Okay, now for focus, this week we're going to cover a few pages, okay, starting from 88. So you will see a new reading passage here, okay, for chapter 7. Okay, now it is about colors. Now, last time we talked about shopping malls, okay, in the US. You can even get married, okay, because there's a chapel inside the shopping mall. I just think that idea may surprise you. And this week we're going to focus on colors, okay, and we are trying to link colors to consumers, okay. Consumers, you maybe buying things every day, okay, in the supermarket, so you are part of the consumer population. All right, now let's see how colors are related to consumers, which can be you, okay, the everyday you. Okay, now let's look at a kind of summary or the main idea. In today's competitive market, shops need to pay attention to the colors they use to attract customers. All colors are associated with different emotions, so they have to choose them carefully. Here's a brief outline of the effect of different colors on the typical consumer. All right, now so it states very clearly about the effect of colors on consumers, which is, okay, you should be able to answer me, which is different emotions, okay, because different colors can trigger different emotions inside us. So I mean, shops need to pay really close attention, okay, a lot of attention to the products, the colors of the products that they sell in supermarkets. Okay, now let's look at the color red. Okay, now red is the color of extremes and strong emotions. Okay, now it even before I read you this paragraph, you know red is something strong. Okay, when let's ask yourself a question. Okay, when do you see the color of red? Red light, the traffic light. Okay, when you see the red traffic light on for pedestrians, you need to stop. Okay, but because it is a color of strong emotion, just like what's just suggested here. Okay, related to passion. Okay, now you need to highlight passion, danger, anger. All right, now let's passion. Passion is when you do something with passion. That means you want to do something wholeheartedly. Okay, so you devote yourself into that thing. Okay, passion. Okay, so passion, we have the adjective passionate. Passionate is used to describe a person who is full of passion. Okay, danger. I think most of you are able to answer me. Dangerous is the adjective. All right, dangerous. How about anger? Anger, angry. Okay, angry. It's not that hard, right? Now let's read on. It's associated. Associated means related. Okay, related to. It's associated with speed and excitement. Now, you may not know, okay? Red is related to speed and excitement, being excited, all right? So it is no surprise that red is the most popular color for sports cars. Okay, I don't know this until I read this, okay? It is the most noticeable color in the spectrum, so it is used for everything that wants to attract our attention in a hurry, such as warning signs. Now, this is what I mentioned already about warning signs on the road, the traffic light, and fire engines. This is why you often see sale signs in red. The color red makes your heart beat faster and attracts people who buy things on impulse. All right. Now, two more words before we go on to blue. First, noticeable. When something is noticeable, or when some persons are noticeable, they can be easily spotted. They can be easily seen. All right, so you can easily see the color of red in the spectrum, in the whole spectrum, because it is so eye-catching. Okay, now last but not least, on impulse. Now I would like you to highlight the whole phrase on impulse. On impulse means when you do something on impulse, that means you do something without thinking a lot. Okay, you want it, you want to buy something, and then you take out your wallet right away. You don't really think a lot, or whether you need it or not, or whether you can afford it or not. Okay, so on impulse, this is a phrase.